Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna present my Rubik's Cube and we're gonna see how it looks like. Right here we have our cube and we know if we move our mouse it's gonna zoom in and zoom out. And then we can start the main animation pressing the R key. So right now we see the cube is like the breathing mode. And then we wanna expand it and a small cube is gonna appear. A small cube which is twisting and we can meanwhile we can shuffle it until a point where it's big enough and we can solve it. At the end of the solution it's gonna fall apart, and that's the moment when the big cube is gonna rebuild like extracting or like a magnet, and and in this point is where our main animation finish. We can play with it, we can shuffle it, then solve. Okay, so that's my presentation.